Well, how does everybody like the food today?
Food's wonderful, sweetheart. Thank you for a wonderful dinner.
Glad to hear. So, do you think that you're going to be adding a Tableau connector anytime soon now? Here we go again.
Leave the kid alone, huh?
What did she say?
Nothing, Mother, nothing.
That he should get a Tableau connector.
Well, I'm sorry, but I'm not getting any younger. And I've been talking to all my friends, and their kids have been visualizing data with Tableau for years now. What about me?
Leave the boy alone. He still has time.
We were young. We all had Tableau connectors even before we graduated. And that was normal.
Look, you know what? Maybe you should listen to your mother and stop messing around and go ahead and get yourself a nice Tableau connector, all right?
Well, maybe he's just not that into Tableau. Maybe he's into Excel charts.
Hey, what? You can't talk like that at the table.
I was just saying.